Modernizing a classic truck, making it overall better and safer has been one of my favorite things to do on this channel. And if that's something that interests you, then stick around for today's video because I have a new battery for your classic truck that you're going to want to see. Vehicle batteries have obviously been around for a long time, but the appearance and technology has changed a lot over that time as well, which is definitely a good thing because the batteries back in the day were not the safest and most efficient things out there. But now if you're restoring your truck or trying to bring it back to a period correct form, buying a battery at a parts store or wherever, it may not look the best inside the engine bay. But that's why we have these TurboStart batteries for the Ford F100, Chevy C10, and even the classic Bronco. The TurboStart batteries are a very old school looking battery with all the new school technology packed inside of it. Now, one of the cool things to point out about these batteries is the engravings on each of the battery. Now, both of these batteries are both licensed by the manufacturer, one being Ford and the other being Chevy. So if you look at the Chevy battery, you'll see the Delco Energizer engraved on the top. And then if you look at the Ford battery, you also see the Autolite logo engraved on the top as well. With having both of those logos on each of the battery, it really gives it that period correct look and gives it that old school feel. Now, both of these batteries are direct replacements for the Chevy C10 or the Ford F100 and the classic Bronco with absolutely no modifications needed. Today we're going to be installing the Chevy one into our C10, so let's get the hood open, get this installed, and see how it looks. Before we jump into today's install, if you have any questions about the tools that we're using, check out cjponyparts.com/tools or click the link in the corner of the video for a free video and PDF file showing you what tools you should have and how to use them properly and safely. For the first part of our installation, we're going to remove the old battery, and something I do want to mention, we do have side post battery terminals currently in the truck, but with the new TurboStart batteries, they are a top post, so I went ahead and purchased some top post terminals. We're going to quickly swap those out and then get the new battery installed. Now we'll remove the battery tie down. Now with everything removed, just go ahead and pull the battery out. So we got the old battery out of the C10, and then we went ahead and took our side posts and turned them into top post terminals. Now, like I said, you might not have to do that for your vehicle at home, but this is what we ended up having to do for ours. So hopefully you can follow along if you end up having to do so as well. Now let's go ahead, throw the TurboStart battery into the C10 and then see how it looks. Now we'll install our battery tie down again. Now we'll reinstall our terminals. Having a good battery will save you a headache in the long run because you'll never have to worry about your truck not starting. And with good battery, if you have any added accessories inside the truck, you never have to worry about them shorting out or causing any problems due to low voltage. Now, if you don't drive your classic truck too often and you're worried about the battery dying over time, when you go to pick up one of these TurboStart batteries, I highly recommend to pick up a TurboStart battery recharger as well. This will be able to keep the battery at full life at all times, even when you're not driving your classic truck. So simply park your truck away in the garage, plug this into the battery, and then you'll be set for the next time that you want to drive it. Well, the battery is installed in our C10 and I couldn't be happier with how it looks in our engine bay. Our C10 isn't the most period correct looking C10 out there, but having an old school battery inside the engine bay is a pretty cool look. And the best part about it is I never have to worry about our truck not starting again thanks to TurboStart batteries. It's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to pick up a TurboStart battery for yourself or any other classic truck part needs, then check out the link down in the description below.